A sinking fund is a simple way to prepare for big expenses before they actually happen. Let's see how it keeps your budget stable. Think of a sinking fund as a dedicated savings bucket for a specific, upcoming cost, rather than an emergency fund for the unknown. Nearly every major expense can be predicted. Instead of scrambling when a bill arrives, you set aside small amounts throughout the year. First, identify the cost and the deadline. Divide the total by the number of months you have, then automate the transfer to stay on track. While a general savings account is for emergencies, a sinking fund is for planned spending. It removes the guilt from using your savings. By saving just $100 a month, you build a $500 buffer for car repairs, avoiding the need for high-interest debt. The goal is to turn large, painful expenses into small, manageable monthly habits. It is the ultimate tool for financial peace of mind. Start your first sinking fund today with your next paycheck. Subscribe for more money basics and follow along for our next budgeting guide.